Now students will discuss the construction of tangent to a circle. First we understand what do you mean by tangent, that we have discussed in the 12th chapter, 10th chapter, but just recall the define, okay? So the length of the segment of the tangent for the external point P and the point of contact with the circle is called as the length of the tangent. So PT1 and PT2 are the tangent of the circle from the point P of the circle. Okay, from P also we have to draw a circle, and that is the tangent of the circle. Now exercise 11.2. In each of the following give also the justification on the construction of the construction. First is that draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. So students, you have to draw a circle having the radius 6 centimeter. Okay. From a point 10 centimeter away from its center, construct a pair of tangent to the circle and measure their lengths. So first step you have to draw a circle having radius 6 centimeter and center as a O. Now the second you have to do that from the O. You have to take away 10 centimeter away from the center. Right. So you have to go 10 centimeter away from the center and give the name P. You have to join this O and P. Okay. Now we have joined this O and P, which is 10 centimeter, total 10 centimeter, 6 centimeter from this to this, that is called radius, and these are the extra 4 centimeter, and we have drawn OP as a 10 centimeter. Now we have to find out the midpoint of OP. How we can find it out? We take the more than half distance, okay? From here, yeah, or you can take from P also. We take more than half distance and you will draw one arc upside and one arc downside. Similarly, we will draw from the A also. So from the P also, one arc is upside and one arc will be downside. Now you have to check that both the arcs should be intersect to each other. Now what you have to do? You have to this join both the arcs, that is okay, that we just give name as A and B. Okay, join these arcs A and B now. Now students, we have joined these arcs A and B. Now students, if the too much line is there, so you have to erase it. Why? Because it will not look very good. Okay, so just remain the arcs only. Now students, this give as a name as a M. Now from M also you have to draw one circle that will intersect or P as well as O also. So from the M, draw the circle. Okay, like this way you have to draw a circle, center as a P, and you will both this circle will intersect at P and O also. You like this way you have to draw the circle. Now what you will do, so that this second circle will intersect the first circle as one as a Q and one give as a name as a R. Okay, so the PQ and the PR are the tangent of the circle. Now we will join PQ as well as PR because both are the tangent of the circles. Now this way you have to join PQ and the PR. Now what you have to do? You have to measure this PQ as well as PR. So if students you are going to measure it, what will happen? So here from 1, right? You have to check here what it how much is coming. It is of 8 centimeter, right? So similarly you will get as 8 centimeter. This also will become 8 centimeter only. Okay, so measure this one. This is also the 8 centimeter long. So both the tangent are of same length, which is 8 centimeter. Okay students, and afterwards you have to write the construction. This construction is over, right? We have measure also. So first step you have to draw a circle having the O as a center and the radius is 6 centimeter, right? Now what here we have done, like we have located the point P, which is 10 centimeter away from the O, and then we have joined O and P. Now what we have done, we have bisect OP and M will be the midpoint of PO. Now taking M as a center and MO is a radius, right? Or MO or MP is a radius, and we have drawn the circle. Now this circle will intersect at Q and the R with the first circle. Right, now we will have joined PQ and the PR, which are the tangent, and we have measured the length of the tangent will be 8 centimeter each. Like this way we have completed our construction. Hope students you have understood the first construction of exercise 11.2. Now we have to justify this construction. So this construction can be justified by proving that PQ and the PR, which are the tangent, right? Tangent to the circle. For this we have to join OQ and the OR. For that we have to join OQ and the OR. Okay. Now we will see that angle PQO is an angle in the semicircle which is a right angle. So this P, Q and O is a semicircle. So it will form here right angle. Similarly P, R, O, it is also a semicircle, will form the right angle, right? That is a perpendicular to each other. So we can write angle PQO is equal to 90 degree. So OQ is perpendicular to PQ. We can say this OQ is perpendicular to PQ, right? This is a right angle. So we can say that OQ is the radius of the circle and PQ has to be a right tangent of the circle. And similarly we can write for the PR also, which is also lies on the semicircle and will become a right angle. So PR is also a tangent of the circle. Like this way we can give the justification of construction 1. So students, please try at your home, you will get it easy. Okay.